Welcome back to Destroy It. Today we are going to be taking these cheap cap guns and turning them into the loudest cap gun in the world. The only way to do this job the right way is to invite somebody who knows how to machine. My brother Ronnie is a machinist, and so I said, dude, you gotta help me with this video because I'm gonna turn one of these cap guns into the loudest cap gun in the world. So we have old trusty DeWalt drill bits here, and we have drills, and we have our cap guns, several different kinds here. That one's a 12 shot. This one's a cheap shot, and this one's a 30-30.
8 shot.
We have large pistol primers that we bought. We also have shotgun primers. So these shotgun primers are pressed into a spent shotgun shell for reloading, and they are, I mean, they're loud. Okay, so this is the large pistol primers, and you can see that they all come loaded up into this plastic. And here is what the primer looks like. That's the backside that actually touches the area of the bullet that has the gunpowder in it, and that is the part that is hit by the hammer of the gun. Be really careful. Put your glasses on. My glasses are on. Are you kidding me? Oh, you just blew the gun up. The idea here is to take this primer and make it fit into that slot. Right now, it's too big. As soon as we can get one of these tabs out, then we can drill out that area and make it large enough for that primer to fit perfectly inside.
So I'm just going to put this drill in here. It's close to the same diameter as this. We're going to take this, see that gun. We can do either or. We can countersink, we'll drill that out and countersink it to where that'll seat down in there, and hope that the plastic, the percussion of that plastic will explode that primer.
Okay, let's do it. Let's drill it out.
Whoa!
Oh, scared me.
See it all the way through?
Okay, so that one's broke out all the way through, and you can see that we had to snap it off the backside right there.
Got it.
Oh, seriously.
Hold on, let's make sure this. Okay, we're gonna have to go with a little bit bigger drill.
Okay, we're now going to try to put the primer inside of the cylinder.
Oh, look at that.
That's why you hire a machinist. Let's go ahead and put the cylinder back in the gun. Dude, I paid $40 for this gun. Don't mess it up.
Yeah, I'm trying not to. This is gonna mess it up on its own.
There you go. Oh boy.
Should we try it?
Dude, the shotgun primer is a lot louder.
I'm a little scared. Should I be scared? You ready?
No, I'm not. Why are you putting it so close to my head? Hold on, I need my glasses on.
It's not rotating.
Not spinning?
It's not spinning.
It's gonna blow apart, dude. Is it not working?
No.
Problem with this one is that it has a plastic hammer. Why would you make a metal gun, a metal cylinder, and a plastic hammer?
Safety,
well,
man, safety.
This one is full metal, even though it's light metal. It's a full metal cylinder, and the hammer itself is also metal. So we need to do the same thing with this as we did with that other one. Okay, now we need to get a little bit bigger bit and go around top of that and get that to seat.
Okay.
Warning, primers may explode if subjected to excessive force. We know that, right? Percussion or heat. Do not smoke near primers. I want to try something crazy. Okay, so this has propane in it. Set that up where there's a primer in that vise.
Whoa!
Dude, it froze my thumb. What are you laughing about?
Ooh, that stuff stinks.
It burns, it
primer.
stings. Before we start that, I want to see you crush that to the point where it explodes. Okay, so what's gonna happen now? This is just getting worse and worse. We definitely need to test out this gun and to see if we can explode this gun by putting the shotgun primer in there, but first, I want to see now that he brought it up, if he puts enough pressure on that vise, which is on pliers, which is crimping that primer.
This is so dangerous.
Dude!
I'm a little scared, man.
I'm really
I'm
scared.
not gonna lie.
It's pointing right at me.
Yeah, look out. They're closed. Well, or the device is.
They're not closed.
Okay, get the heat.
Are you kidding me? Now that has all that pressure?
Yeah, let's add heat. Throw your heat on there. Right there. Let's go.
Oh, man.
Oh my god. Wow. Holy cow.
Let's do it one more time. Okay, we have 3 primers in here now. As you can see, we've steered clear away from the destroying the gun. I promise you, we're coming back to it. We just really want to see the power of these primers. And right now we have 2 of the shotgun primers and 1 of the large pistol. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Shot! Woo! Hit something hit me in the elbow.
There it is. It's laying right there. And it's hot.
Oh,
It's empty. You can see where it come out of the pliers.
wow.
And there wasn't even any pressure from the
Did
pliers.
it hit my car?
No, I think it hit the wall right here. There's a ding in the
Are
wall
you
right
serious?
there. Yeah. I think it chipped the wall.
Wow.
Pretty sure of it.
Okay, it is time finally to give this thing a try. I'm not so sure who wants to do this.
I'm down to do it.
You're down?
You down?
I'm down.
I don't know if I'm down.
I don't know if I want
I've done
to.
a lot of dumb things.
Dude, you got to get it way out
Yeah.
there though, dude. Like
Oh,
crap.
I'm scared.
Okay,
Come on.
ready?
Yes. 3, 2, 1. 3,
It's on it.
2, 1.
Oh,
Do it again.
this fire.
Go.
2, 1.
Is it rotating?
Yes.
Okay, go.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
You gotta wait.
Go. It's gonna hit me in the face.
Or not do anything.
So what we just found out is the cylinder is too far forward. Needs to be shimmed back a little bit. We're gonna do that right now.
Just a piece of cardboard.
Yeah, that's all we need.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Dude, it needs to be a sharper point. You got a file? We can
Yes.
file that end down.
Time to grind it.
Okay.
Okay, let's try it one more time here. Ready? Seriously? We are bound and determined to get this gun to be the loudest cat gun in the world. So
We're gonna get it.
we've taken it completely apart into a million pieces and we are going to modify it, modify the spring and the pin to make this work. We officially modified it. We modified the pin, we modified the spring, and we modified the accepting hole to where now it has the shotgun primer. So, who
And-
wants to
and
do
the
the
hammer.
honors? Just pull the hammer back.
And let it go.
Don't pull the trigger, just pull that hammer back.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Come on.
light it on fire.
I'm done. I'm lighting the gun on fire. We know 100% that this primer will go off with heat. So this gun is bound and determined to just not do what we wanted to do. So we're going to destroy it. Fire in the hole, yo. Fire in the hole. Here we go. Ready?
There it goes. That's it.
All right, what's going on with this gun? It is melting.
Nothing.
Yeah, look at that.
Nice.
Well, an absolute failure in terms of getting this thing to fire off a shotgun primer. We were able to successfully get it to fire off a long pistol primer, but the shotgun primer just didn't work. So of course we took it upon ourselves to completely get rid of the gun altogether because it just couldn't do the job. And if you can't do the job, you're out of here. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Ronnie, my brother, for joining us and helping us drill this thing out. Never forget, guys, that you are worth it. Destroy it.